Part of secret society. They have to go there every year bayo-renew.
Bayo-renew, for real.
Ungene kwenye room ulale nezinye izinto. Zikulale for boma 3 days.
Uzwa.
Uyathwala makumele every month uhlaba inkomo. Nini bazothi umuntu. Ubulala umuntu o random. Mele nithola umuntu niyomu
Insebenza nanani.
Nini
umfundisi as much as bengekho gifted ngendlela zokuthi uNkulunkulu baphe igift but ke bahamba bathwale baqine ukushashaya
baba part of secret society. They have to go there every year bayo-renew.
Bayo-renew, for real.
And then ngizwa bathi I think ukuthi like lama spirit angene kuwe kahle. Ngathi you have to ungene kwenye room ulale nezinye izinto zikulale for boma 3 days.
Uzwa.
So half man half machine.
Kunamanye abaconfessayo ngithi ngibabukele la ku YouTube.
Yeah.
Manje kwenzakalani ke? Like take Umboro for example. Awona Umboro beka powerful. But manje akusekho powerful. No, serious bengine video ngihlangane naye. Hayi sisonke nomboro. Ngingahlanga benginohlangana naye. Abantu abamazi uMboro if uphila eKatlehong, Thokoza, Spruit, Albertine, Foslo. Uthanda le engine, khona le engine ene wimpi.
Yeah.
Ku grey, ku N3. Ku N3. No, uyayithanda iyo ka Spanish like obvious ngime Jozi N3.
Yeah.
Movie Katlehong Spruit anyway if abambe R59.
Yeah.
So N3 iyo bekabloma akabloma kuyo but uthela kuyo. At its peak lathi lacho afika neclass layo. Ivulelwa ezinye igora iminyango, ivulelwa igora iminyango, yangena eshayina legqoza khona lezi ayithanda vele namasuta ameshayo.
Yeah.
You know? Bonakala ukuthi ufikile yeah, but now uyi-1 akuna bands ngaphandle. No, and I'm just asking ukuthi if you renew
you must
then
shoot a renew.
Or does it mean yana baka original akatholanga ama powers?
You know what I think, Sol? I think that guy was a clown. That's it. He was because yenzela comedy esontweni abantu bajive. Hayi no.
So then what went wrong?
What went wrong?
Yeah, because if we
ngathi ngizoba shangi 1 by 10 bonke ngizoba slice.
But by then beseka
No.
Bese kungasana into eyenzakalayo.
Yeah, ngathi bekaseka ukuthi bokuthulekile by then.
The beginning of the end.
Capture abantu ababhaso baze esontweni la kubaloko bakubona ukuthi uyajoka or kunama powers owatholayo somewhere. So
because no mubana ngayo.
I don't think lama powers lawa ama ritual you go back for the same ritual bewuyenza. I think baya upgrade. And since sekuba nabafundisi abaningi no aba powerful. Ngiyakutshela ukuthi mfethu bonke bayenze lento le ewuyenzile. Ukuthi wena ube mele uyenza enye bangakaze bayenza. Maybe
unlock level.
Yeah. I think maybe I think yabathusa elo right. Hayi lengeke ngiyenze le.
Yeah.
Don, le para thuswa next. Once waqala ayiseke into ezokuthusa mfethu. You've done the worst already. Akusana into entsha bazothi ayi esona mongayenza le bese yakuthusa
and usaba nokuwa cause uzoba in the eyes of the public.
Yeah.
So it's like I want to commit crime, you know, and to maintain a lifestyle that abantu abayibonayo, you're gonna then go from maybe a small crime to a bigger crime and a much bigger one because of you need to maintain.
Lesa status ukuthi anayihlebo.
Yeah, nokuthi sonto lakho lungaka liphakeme silingaka. So
but izokuthusa at some point phela Satan uza ngezinye izinto ezithusayo. Bangaqala bathi okay wena uyathwala makumele every month uhlaba inkomo. Nini bazothi umuntu ubulala umuntu o random mele nithola umuntu niyomu
insebenza nanani.
Nini bazothi wena family yakho mntwanakho.
Yeah.
Then lapho ke so uyajema.
Sekumele ku stop.
Then ziyakushubela.
So we can see jam manje.
Uyajema. No more vele ngathi fana into zokuthwala but le nyoka kumele uyifide. So inokufuna ifuna igcine ifuna la endlini, ifuna ingcosi. That's why akabhaya abantu guys abanenyuku thola ukuthi manje kancane kushona ama family members then abantu bayixoxa ukuthi hayi
there's something there's something
so there's always more man to sacrifice. Mabe to you sell your soul.
Ngithwele na marike piece yabo.
No cap. No cap.
Speaking of that